Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn the concept of chapter 2, that is data storage devices. So let's start. Data and information. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures, and processed data is known as information. Data storage units. A computer can understand only two states, on and off. These two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. The data stored in computer memory in the form of bits, and it measured by bytes. Let's discuss the table of memory size. KB represents kilobyte, MB is megabyte, GB is gigabyte, TB means terabyte, and PB is petabyte. You can see here the table. 1024 byte is equal to 1 KB. 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. 1024 GB is equal to 1 TB. And 1024 TB is equal to 1 PB. I have explained you the full forms of the short forms. Now, types of memory. Memory is divided into two parts: internal, which is also known as primary memory, and external, which is also known as secondary memory. Primary memory is classified into RAM and ROM, and external memory is divided into hard disk, CD, DVD, or Blu-ray disc, and flash pen drives. And last is memory card. Let's discuss internal memory. It is also known as primary memory or main memory. RAM, full form is random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. Next topic is external memory. It is also called secondary memory. When computer has limited storage capacity, it stores information for a longer period. Next is storage devices, and the first part is hard disk. It is main storage medium for computers. It is made up of collection of disks called platters. It is fixed inside the CPU, and it can store up to 8 TB data. CD, or that is also known as compact disc. It is optical storage device, and it is thin and circular disc. It can store up to 700 MB. It measures 4.7 inches in diameter. CD can hold text, graphics, sounds, images, and videos. DVD. It is optical storage device used for data storage. It is used for recording movies with higher videos and sound quality than a CD. The storage capacity varies from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Blu-ray disc. This is new optical format to store data. It can store up to 128 GB data. It is used to store high quality sound, games, and movies data. The name Blu-ray disc is derived from blue violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. Flash drive, which is also known as pen drive. It is a plug and play device. It can be connected to the USB, means Universal Serial Bus port. Small, lightweight, removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. It can store up to 2 TB data. Next is memory card. Storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital cameras, and music players. It can be easily removed from these devices and attached to computer to access the card. It can transfer images and music files into a computer using memory card reader. Thank you. Have a nice day.